Welcome back to the channel. Si here from Moto2 We have got something really special to show you, something that's just been delivered by Triumph UK. It's getting uncrated as we speak. It's a really special bike that you cannot get your hands on, and I thought I'd like to see it, so I'll show you it. So I've got Ed here uncrating this fantastic Moto2 edition Triumph Street Triple. These things are just so hard to get our hands on, and we've got a really lucky customer, Julie, who ordered this bike. It was an extra bike that appeared for us, and Julie got her hands on it really quickly, and she's a lucky owner of this bike. Julie, what do you think of this, if you're watching? Ed, what's the best colour for it?
Yellow.
You think so?
Aye.
What do you think? Stick it in the comments. Is yellow the best colour, or is white the best colour?
Competition.
Competition. So the bikes come really well packaged from Triumph, so they're all sort of tied down to this crate. There's 4 anchor points that Ed's just loosening the back ones at the minute to let us take off the packaging. There's a couple of boxes that come on the bike with some parts for the PDI that just get fitted to the bike once the bike's prepped in the workshop by the boys in the workshop team. Look at that colour, man. Look at that colour. How awesome is that? How awesome is that, man? Will we do a tank reveal?
Yeah, we'll do a tank reveal.
Let's do a tank reveal. Let's do a tank reveal. Oh my god. That's absolutely stunning. You've got the Moto2 triple clamp seat at the top, and that's identifying that this bike is number 604 of 765, produced in this colour. Absolutely stunning. How many did we get, Ed?
This is the fourth one.
Fourth one.
Fourth one by special order, thanks to Mr. Triumph UK.
And there's Jamie, the guy that's going to get it ready.
It's very generous to us.
Aye.
And you, Jamie. And you.
See, they've got some anchor points at the front that are sort of mounted right through the forks that hold the bike down and secure the bike. The transport just down here. And Jamie's going to loosen the straps off.
And I'm going to do my catching.
Ed's going to do the catchy McCatcherson.
Yep.
Aye. This is a special bike. Ignore the Harley Davidson t-shirt that Jamie's wearing. It actually says Triumph. Is it free?
I think we're free.
It's free to go. Superb. There we have it. Triumph Street Triple RS Moto2 edition. What a fantastic. Enjoyed that one, folks. The Street Triple RS Moto2 edition. One lucky customer picking it up. Fantastic. If you liked it, drop a subscribe and a like, please. See you in the next video. Si from Moto2 over and out.